Hey DIY lovers, let's talk about keeping your toilet sparkling clean using things you already have at home. Regular toilet cleaning is super important for your hygiene and health. Let's get started with these easy and budget-friendly tips. First, grab your laundry detergent. Yep, you heard that right. Pour a small amount into your toilet bowl and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. This helps to break down grime and disinfect. Now it's scrubbing time. Using your toilet brush, scrub thoroughly, focusing on those hard-to-reach spots, especially under the rim. Next up, we tackle those stubborn stains and limescale. Pour some white vinegar into the toilet bowl and sprinkle some baking soda on top. Watch it fizz, that's the power of chemistry. Let it sit for a few minutes and then scrub again with your brush. For those tricky corners and under the toilet seat, you can use an old toothbrush. Dip it in the vinegar and baking soda mixture and scrub away. To keep your toilet clean and prevent future stains, try pouring a cup of vinegar into the bowl once a week. For a nice scent, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. That's it, a clean and fresh toilet using natural ingredients. These methods are not only effective, but also wallet-friendly and good for the environment. Happy cleaning!